These 10 AI tools can literally help you make money online in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. First, ChatGPT for scripts, captions, and freelance writing. Then Canva to create viral thumbnails and digital products fast. CapCut edits videos in minutes. Fiverr lets you sell AI-powered services. Midjourney creates insane AI art people actually buy. ElevenLabs makes realistic voiceovers. Notion AI helps organize content and business ideas. Shopify makes starting an online store easier than ever. Jasper AI writes marketing content fast. And Pictory turns text into videos automatically. The craziest part, most people are still sleeping on these tools. Start now, stay consistent, and one of these could become your next income stream.